In this video, I'm going to give you some hints and tips on how you should start a channel in 2021. So if you're interested in finding out what I have to say, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I share how to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. And if you like this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become a family member. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. This video is in collaboration with the Mastermind Influencer Team. There are 6 ladies, and what we do is we come on here and we try to help you out and give you what we have learned about YouTube. Now here are the ladies that are in the challenge. The host is Lady Phoenix at Really Good Living. The co-hosts are Penny at Penny's Place, Sandy at Grandma Sandy's, Michelle at Buckeyed Girls and Reefs and Things, and myself, Stephanie, at Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Now, if you're not familiar with anyone's channel, I will leave a link to their channels along with the playlist down below in the descriptions. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you eight tips on how to start a YouTube channel in 2021. So I will be looking at my notes, so don't think I'm not paying attention. Okay. Now the first thing I want to talk about is don't start thinking of tactics or tricks to help you grow your channel so fast. Start with a foundation. Just jump in and start your channel, because there are no tricks to flip and turn a switch and make you get, 50,000 subscribers. There's no trick. There's no trick at all. Number 2 is to make the decision to start. Now, some of us look at YouTube and keep saying, oh, I can do that. I can start a channel. I can start a channel. But you don't start because you want everything to be perfect. Everything is never going to be perfect. So just jump in and start. If you said you're going to start it today. Start. Number 3 is to start before you're ready. Meaning, you don't need all the fancy cameras and the fancy equipment, all the lights and all the special microphones and the new system on your computer. You don't need all that to start. Just start. Number 4, start messy. And what I mean by start messy, you're not going to be a pro at talking on the camera and filming. You're going to make some mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. You take one step at a time and you learn to improve as you go. That's what I mean by starting messy. You need to get comfortable in front of the camera. You need to try different ways of finding things to fit you. So like I do home decor, I do a little makeup, I do a little dabs of things. So you need to try what you're going to try to see what fits you, what your audience likes, something that you feel comfortable in doing. Make a video doing anything you like, something you like, and just create it and see how people react to it. Put your first video, put it out on all your social media like Facebook, and then put it on YouTube. And if you have, what's the other one? TikTok. To see how that video goes over with everybody. Just start messy. And number 5, think content over gear. And what I mean by that is you will get overwhelmed if you think, okay, if I get a camera like she used, then my videos will come out good and my rating will jump high because I'm using the same camera she using. Or if I get the same light kit, the light kits that she get, everything will be just perfect. Or you look at, oh, if I get that name brand of microphone, I might be better. I'll be better if I get that microphone. Think of content. Think of what you want to show people, what you want to help them with. That's what your content is. Think on that. experiment to find out what works for you. Like me, again, I do tablescapes. I love to do tablescapes. I love to help people out with different things on YouTube. So those are the things that I do on my channel to help people and to show a little decorative styles. The next thing you need to do is make a list of 10 to 20 questions about what you really know. You know, like if I'm doing it on tablescapes, okay, you do 10 to 20 questions on about tablescapes. What kind of plates? Do you have chargers? Are you going to use napkins? You use flatware? Are you going to use stemware? Are you going to do centerpieces? You need to do 10 to 20 questions asking yourself about what you think you're going to make your video on, okay? That's what I mean about content over gear. Number 6, simple gear for beginners. Your phone is a great camera. I film on my phone. If you pay over $1,000 for your phone, you know it has a great camera. Use your phone. Your phone. They record great until you get to the place where you need a camera. But use your phone. And for lighting, you can use natural lighting from the daytime for your lighting. And if you want to get a ring light or a light kit, Walmart is selling a really cheap ring light online. I think it's maybe $30, I think. I'm not sure about the price. But you can look on Walmart.com and just look up their ring light. That's if you want to get something extra. But you don't have to jump into that right now. And Amazon has cheaply priced ring lights as well. And then for a microphone, I have 2 different microphones. I have the microphone I do a voiceover on. It came from Amazon. And then I have one that I clip on and I can add it to my phone where you hear me clear. Now that microphone is this one. The one on the wire here. And this one cost me about $25 on Amazon. So that's something that you can get, that if you want to get cheap gear for beginners. And then also a tripod to hold your phone or your camera on if you have a camera already. Or if you don't, you can get you a tripod on Amazon that has the adapter to hold a cell phone on. Cheap gear. I will try to remember to put links to all this stuff down below so you can check Amazon out for prices if you are ready for that. Okay? That don't mean you have to go out and buy it today to start. Just start. Number 7, ask yourself these questions about your channel. What are you going to be about? What's your niche? What is your channel going to be about? Number 2, who is your channel for? Is it for younger people? Is it for an older crowd, mature crowd? What is your channel for? Who is it for? Number 3, what problem does your channel solve? What does it solve? And number 5, how is your channel different from the other ones who do the same kind of details or niche that you're in? How's your channel a little different? And number 5, why should I subscribe to your channel? Is there something that you're doing that maybe that I haven't seen, or maybe I can learn from you for me to subscribe to your channel? If someone had gave me these same questions when I started, I probably wouldn't have started so rocky. But this is stuff that I've learned over the years as having a YouTube channel. My 8th tip is ask yourself these questions about your videos. What is the goal of your video? What problem does your video solve? And who is your video for? Basically the same questions over for you to think about. You need to figure out who are you making your videos for. If you're making them for yourself, then that may not work. But if you're making them to help other people out with a problem, have them learn something, pick up some little niche that you know, some little tidbit, then you're making it for someone else. So you need to figure out who are you making your videos for. Think on that. So those are my 8 tips on how to start a YouTube channel in 2021. So if you have any questions about what I spoke about today, feel free to write me down below and let me know what questions you have, or you can email me at H&H Designs, which is down below, hnhdesigns@gmail.com, and I'll respond to you as my earliest convenience. I hope this video was informative, and I would love to read your questions and your responses down below. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.